Potty training is an essential aspect of bringing a new puppy into your home. While it may seem like a daunting task, with the right guidance and consistent effort, you can successfully train your furry friend to use the designated potty area. In this video, we'll explore the expert advice provided by Potty, a trusted YouTube channel dedicated to pet care and training. These tips will help you establish good habits and set your puppy up for a lifetime of successful potty training. 1. Establish a routine. One of the most critical aspects of puppy potty training is establishing a consistent routine. Dogs thrive on structure, so establishing a set schedule for feeding, playtime, and bathroom breaks is vital. Potty suggests taking your puppy outside to their designated potty area immediately after waking up, after meals, after playtime, and before bedtime. Consistency is key in reinforcing the desired behavior. 2. Use positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is a powerful tool in puppy training. Whenever your puppy successfully eliminates in the designated area, be sure to praise and reward them immediately. This can be done with treats, verbal praise, or a combination of both. Potty emphasizes that positive reinforcement helps your puppy associate the act of eliminating in the right spot with a positive experience, making them more likely to repeat the behavior in the future. 3. Supervise and confine. Until your puppy is fully potty trained, it's crucial to supervise them closely indoors. Keep them within eyesight or use a crate or playpen to limit their access to the rest of the house. Potty advises against using the crate as a punishment and instead encourages making it a comfortable and safe space for your puppy. This helps prevent accidents and allows you to redirect them to the appropriate potty area when necessary. 4. Understand the signs. Recognizing the signs that your puppy needs to go potty is an essential skill. Potty advises paying attention to cues such as sniffing, circling, or restlessness. If you notice any of these behaviors, immediately take your puppy to their designated potty spot. By being proactive, you can prevent accidents and reinforce the correct behavior. 5. Clean accidents appropriately. Accidents are bound to happen during the potty training process, but it's crucial to handle them properly. Potty emphasizes using an enzymatic cleaner specifically designed for pet stains to eliminate the odor. Regular household cleaners may not fully remove the scent, which can lead to repeated accidents in the same spot. 6. Be patient and consistent. Potty training takes time, and setbacks are normal. Remember to be patient with your puppy and avoid punishment or scolding. Potty emphasizes that negative reinforcement can confuse your puppy and hinder their progress. Stay consistent with the routine and positive reinforcement, and over time, your puppy will understand what is expected of them.